Krishna and the thieves. This is the flag of Vijayanagara kingdom. It was ruled by the King Sri Krishna Devaraya. The King Sri Krishna Devaraya was a great artist and he was interested in literature and poetry. It was the golden period of Sri Krishna Devaraya. One day, he was checking the prison and the prisoners. That day, he releases two of the thieves on one condition. That is, they should enter into the house of Ramakrishna and steal. But Ramakrishna should not find it out. If he finds out, the thieves will be back in the prison again. So, the thieves followed the king's order. But Ramakrishna finds out the secret of the thieves. And that day, when the thieves come to his house to commit the robbery, while the thieves are hearing him, he tells his wife, "I always keep forgetting to tell you one thing. The city is full of thieves. Anyway, we need to be careful and we need to take care of our property." The wife asks him, "What should I do?" Tenali replies, "Take out all the ornaments which we have and bring them to me. We'll put them in a box." Wife wonders, "Why?" "Well, let's put them in the box and throw them in the well." Now the wife is surprised. "Why?" He says, "They will be safe in the well. The thieves will look in other places but not in the well. And once the thieves leave, we can take the box back to us." "Oh, that is fine." Now the thieves are watching all this. They tell themselves, they are helping us, collecting all the ornaments and putting it in one place and making things easy for us. This is our good luck." But children, see what Tenali is doing. He has a great idea. Instead of putting the ornaments in the box, see what he is putting inside. He is keeping stones and bricks in the box, and in the full view of the thieves, he throws the box into the well. The thieves say, "Okay, here they go. They've gone inside, and they will not come back to the well till the morning hours. Let us finish our work." The second thief says, "Okay." Once they reach the well, they see that the well is full of water. "Oh, there is plenty of water in the well. What should we do?" The second thief says, "Yes, I will tell you an idea. See those buckets there? Let's draw out all the water from the well. We can reach for the box." Well, the thieves start drawing out the water from the well, pouring it out into the garden. They keep doing this. Keep pouring water into the garden. Keep drawing water out of the well. Tenali keeps watching this from inside on the slide, thinks to himself, "Well, keep pulling, keep doing lot of work for me." And once all the water is out of the well and they see the box, the thieves say, "Oh, it has come out. Let's take the box out." They reach for the box, and once they open it, they are surprised. What is inside? Not the ornaments, but stones and bricks. Tenali says, "Oh, good. My plan was a success. They worked hard. They watered all my garden. Now my plants and trees have sufficient water." So children, see, this is how Tenali and his wisdom is.